Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 20 questions for TGT English Literature and other English Literature associated teaching exams as a practice set 39. Let's start. Question number 1. Who wrote Ode to Evening? Gray, Collins, Black, Pop. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Collins. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Joseph Conrad was a German, Greek, Polish, Irish. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Polish. Option C will be the right answer. Joseph Conrad was a Polish British novelist. So the option C will be the right answer. Next question. Holy Sonnets was written by Spenser, Donne, Milton, Gray. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Donne. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Coastal Recreant was the first novel of Scott and Radcliffe, Maria Ainsworth, John Austen. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Maria Ainsworth. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Make Way sees the ghost of Banquo, Duncan, Igo, Hamlet. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Banquo. Make Way sees the ghost of Banquo. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. The form of poetry in which a group song telling a story, usually sad and painful, is called lyric, sonnet, elegy, ballad. What will be correct answer? The form of poetry in which a group song telling a story, usually sad and painful, is called ballad. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Who states these words? Whosoever touches this book touches a man. Robert Frost, Robert Bridges, Robert Brown, Walt Whitman. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Walt Whitman. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Name the American writer who was awarded the Pulitzer Prize 4 times. Walt Whitman, Robert Frost, William Faulkner, Hemingway. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Robert Frost. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Who is known as the father of English criticism? John Evelyn, Dryden, Robert Frost, Robert Southey. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Dryden. Option B will be the right answer. Dryden, known as the father of English criticism. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Kamala Das is influenced by the dramatic quality of Matthew Arnold, T.S. Eliot, Robert Browning, Lord Alfred Tennyson. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Robert Browning. Option C will be the right answer. Kamala Das is influenced by the dramatic quality of Robert Browning. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. When the lifeless object and abstract ideas are thought of as living beings, the figure of species. Apostrophe, hyperbole, oxymoron, personification. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be personification. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Which of the following words is an onomatopoeia word? Glorious, charming, murmuring, trembling. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be murmuring. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Which of the following sentences has the figure of speech called oxymoron? I heard the water lapping on the crest. O luxury, thou we heaven decree. I am daughter of earth and water. Our sweetest songs are those that tell of saddest thoughts. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be our sweetest songs are those that tell of saddest thoughts. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Ode is a type of poetry which deals with one great complex action in a lofty style and in fullness of details, is a short and subjective poem full of music and emotion, is lofty and dignified, is a group song telling a story usually sad and painful. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be ode is a style of poetry which is lofty and dignified. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. According to whom poetry is best words in their best order? Shakespeare, Coleridge, Wordsworth, Shelley. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Coleridge. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. The eldest son deals with evil of illicit love, social inequalities, family problems, religious persecution. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be evil of illicit love. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. A farce is a comedy of frustrated love, provoking crime, causing boisterous laughter for fools. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be causing boisterous laughter. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Wordsworth was greatly influenced by Industrial Revolution, Italian Revolution, Russian Revolution, French Revolution. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be French Revolution. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. How many total sonnets did Shakespeare write? 136, 154, 116, 84. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 154. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Longinus considers only blank space sources of sublimity. 5, 3, 6, 4. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 5. Option A will be the right answer. Longinus considers only 5 sources of sublimity. Option A will be the right answer. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning about 20 questions. Like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you so much.